Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda Robson, and when I say welcome back, I mean welcome back. It's been about 1.5 years since I created a demo video, and that's what I mean by welcome back. Life's been full. It's been amazing, it's been wonderful, but it has been really full. We moved, we renovated our house. I'm in a new, brand new studio. I have added responsibilities that are amazing to my job, and we have not just one, but 2 grandbabies. So life has been so full and so wonderful. I've still been creating art. I just haven't been able to edit. So that's changing as I soft launched my channel again. I have enlisted my son, Kyle Hansen, who's amazing at this. He does this for a living. So he and I are going to, over the next couple weeks, next couple months really, beginning to know each other's style. And then in January of 2026, we're gonna relaunch the channel fully. He and I decided that it would be great to be able to do some demos between now and that relaunch. So today's demo is a 36 by 48 canvas. It's huge. It's a center swipe made with blues and metallics and soft golds. It's beautiful, and I made it specifically for my master bedroom. So let me get you down on the canvas and show you exactly how I make that center swipe. And again, thank you for coming back. So let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye, and welcome back. Thanks for joining. Let's get you down. We're gonna do a swipe, and it's gonna be a center swipe. I'll be using tools. These tools. I'll use a medium one. I'll use a little bit thinner one. Actually, that's thick, medium. Here's about the same size, but smaller. And then I've got a really small one, and then I got a kind of a long one. So those are the tools that we're gonna be using. I just used them for another project, so they are just clean, and they're kind of wet, to be honest with you. So I'll put these off to the side until I get this taken care of. So the colors will be Amsterdam white is the base. I have painted my sides. So I'm excited to see what this one's gonna look like, but it is gonna be a center swipe this way and that way. And so I'll come from both directions, and we'll go ahead and get started. My husband is outside mowing, so you might hear the lawnmower. Just FYI on that. I never want to pour too much because then I have to pour back in and, you know, yada, yada, yada. So, okay. We'll try that for right now. We'll use my hairdryer, like I said, to get it so it goes off the edges. And since I painted my edges, it should be pretty good. I don't need to necessarily go completely and cover it with this because I'll take my paintbrush as well. I don't know why I put this so in the center of my table. Nope. All right, just a little bit more paint. Holy cow, big canvas. Okay, see, you hear him? Here he is, mowing. Oops. So all I'm doing is go along the sides because I don't want to see necessarily white drips, except for when we are doing the actual swipe. So let me now torch this. I did this last night. I'm gonna move this way. This is ridiculous. Did the paint last night. So what I mean by that, I mixed the paint last night. And so that's the reason why there's hardly any bubbles. A lot of times I do it on the same day and I get a lot of bubbles. Now I've mixed these, or I mixed these a long time ago, but I've had to like stir them. So there probably will be some bubbles. Okay. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to make a line directly in the middle. So let me find out where my middle is. It's about right here. Okay, so that is, and you see the bubbles on there. Let's go ahead and do the dark blue first. This is a level 1. Let's do interference blue. All right, see how it sinks down into that? But if I do it on top of here on the white, which is a level 2, it does not. Okay, so those ones I did straight across. And the next ones I'm gonna swerve it a little bit, okay? So that was level 2. Let's go with level 1. I'm gonna swerve it back and forth. There. Now on this one I need, oh man, I just broke it. Shoot. I just wanna do a little bit. I don't wanna do a whole lot. There we go. See how it sinks? Yeah. It also sinks, but I think I'm gonna come up here, a little bit up here, a little bit right here. We're gonna do this blue. We'll do some pearl white. And then we'll do, which is a 1. See how it does not sink? I'm gonna come around the edges like I did with the gold. We'll come down the center. Okay, that's a lot of paint now. So let me get these off the sides. And we're gonna start in the middle. So I like to make a bigger in the middle. So I'm gonna kind of touch a little bit of that white because the white will create cells as I bring it over top. See? And see how I didn't do the white over top of that? And so it did not get the cells like those ones did. All right, so we're gonna use another spatula. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these air bubbles first though. This one, now I'm gonna come from the middle. Oops, shoot. Love those. Almost done. Okay, so I'm not liking this white, so I need to figure that out really fast. I think it's pretty much done. What do you think? Really pretty. This is the only piece I don't like right here, so I'm wondering. I love these like little curly cues. Okay, so grab all of these, get them off to the side. This is how I get the drips underneath, so I don't accidentally get it on top of the side. Okay, I'll go back over one more time with my torch. Awesome. Looks amazing. Now, hopefully it dries amazing. I'll get you down and show you the wet. Okay. Lots of fun cells. And this is really pretty. Really pretty colors. Perfect for what I really wanted. So hopefully that looks amazing for my bedroom. Whoop whoop. Thanks for joining me today. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And if you like this video, I bet you're gonna like these as well. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye. Bye.